Selecting the perfect time and place can be your secret weapon for dominating any battle. In the art of war, choosing the time and place of battle can give you the ultimate advantage. By selecting when and where the battle will occur, you hold the upper hand over your enemy. You can conserve your strength while your enemy is left in the dark, expending their energy in futile quests. Let them wear themselves out, becoming exhausted and confused while you bide your time. And when the moment is right, strike with energy and purpose, catching them off guard. Remember, the key to victory lies in strategic planning and patience. So, next time you find yourself in a battle, choose the time and place wisely. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more strategic insights.